everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's not about beauty, makeup, eyebrows, lashes, and basically everything to transform yourself. It's not going to be nothing about that and nothing about hauls and nothing about reviews. Today's going to be about how I did it to be under review to monetization. So that means I'm in basically review to see if I pass into being able to make money off my videos. So I want to go ahead and show you guys this journey, and also will help me out for me in the future to see like where I'm at and how I did it and everything. And also will help you guys out if you guys are smaller YouTubers. It will help you guys to feel motivated and like you guys can do it as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and talk about from the emails I got from when I got demonetized, because if you guys don't know, before YouTube would monetize your videos, and after 10,000 views on your whole channel, not one video, just your whole channel, after 10,000 views on your channel, you would be able to go ahead and monetize your videos. So that law changed, that rule changed, and it doesn't work that way anymore. So I did want to come here and talk to you guys about how you can do it to be monetized or go forward with your monetization. And I'm going to show you guys what I did to gain 1,000+ subscribers, and also what I did to get the 4,000 watch hours. So you guys, if you guys are interested in watching this video, then keep on watching. I'm going to talk to you guys a lot about what I did and what I used to do. So if that's something you guys are not interested in watching, then click out of this video. I have a lot of other videos. I believe I have like 156 in this whole channel, so there's a lot of videos. You'll find something for you. So go ahead and exit if you don't want to hear me blabber on for like 18 minutes. But other than that, let's begin. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Christina. I really hope this video helps you, and if it did, don't forget to subscribe down below, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. If you're an OG, welcome to my channel. Thank you for supporting yet another video. It means the world to me. And yeah, let's begin. Before, when I started my YouTube channel, I was able to be monetizing my videos because I had reached the 10,000 views and over, so I was monetizing my videos. I never made money off this channel. I believe my monetization screen, when you go to analytics, you can see how much you make, and then you go to your, obviously your AdSense, and it'll tell you how much you've made. So I believe I made $20 the whole year. I was the first year I was on YouTube, and then a lot of things started happening, so I stopped uploading. I was less consistent. I went ahead and I got a new job. After I got a new job, someone in the family, close to the family, passed away, and then after that I had moved, and then that's not in that order, but like around, that's the stuff that happened. After that, I was very depressed for a little bit. I was very sick, and then after that, a lot of people quit and a lot of people got fired on my job. So I was like super full-time, overtime, like full-time plus full-time job. So it was just a really hectic time, and I really didn't upload like that, and if I uploaded, the videos sucked ass. I wasn't really trying. I just really wanted to put content out there because I really loved like seeing the content, getting the love, and I just love like doing beauty stuff. It was just 25% out of 100, so that's really bad. And basically when they sent me the email on February 2nd, I still remember till this day, like basically saying, hey girl, get your shit together or else you won't be monetized. We're so sorry, but they have to protect like basically other stuff on YouTube, and basically not just be paying out $100 to every YouTuber that gets 1,000 views, you know. So basically when they sent me that email, I tried a little bit harder to be more consistent. It was just not working out because I was full-time. I was basically moving around that time. That was around the time that someone passed away as well, and then it was around the time that I was sick. So basically I had no time for nothing, and then at that time I was living with other people, so it was really hard to record around their schedules and not be able to have a lot of noise in the background. And all I was doing was like not even voiceovers, just quick ×2 videos, you know. So after that I was like bitch, get your shit together, you know, get your life together. If you really want to do this, you really have to step up to the plate and figure it out. Because when I first started YouTube, all I wanted to do was upload videos like all the time. And I have another channel, if you guys don't know, it's christinazambranoextra. Well, it changed to Double Spice because I changed it to like a family prank channel. I would get up at 6 in the morning when my husband would leave, and I would literally record 2 videos. After that, I would go and do laundry. I would go to laundromat and I would take my laptop. And at this time I was working at Metro PCS, so it was really in a bad area, and literally nobody would go in there. Like if they did, it was a good day on a Friday, Saturday and Sunday, and then after that it was really slow. So I would take my laptop to work as well. So I would upload, I would edit in the morning and edit one video in the morning when I was doing laundry before I go in at 12. I would go in at 12 and I would get out at 7. So that whole 12 to 7, I probably had like 2 hours that whole time to be able to So that's what I was doing, and I was really consistent. My videos sucked ass, my camera sucked ass, my laptop sucked ass, but I was still trying to go ahead. My lighting did everything. I was not so tech savvy like I am now. Like, I know how to get around stuff. Basically I would be really consistent, and that's how I got my channel to be monetized, and it's still monetized because people still watch like the old videos. But I still have that channel. Basically I don't really put everything into that channel because it's already monetized, and I'm like, I could just upload videos and I still know I get views and watch time. But this channel needed really like a lot of help. It's my English channel, and I really wanted it to work, you guys. So I went ahead and left that channel alone and focused on this channel. So you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys the things I did to go ahead and be able to have success on this channel, basically, and what I changed in my routine so I can be monetized, which I'm not monetized yet, you guys. Once I do, I will let you guys know, but I am not monetized yet. I'm under review, and I'm really excited. They get back with me within like 30 days, they said. So I'm really hoping I do. I don't have no copyright strikes or anything, and I don't really cuss a lot, and I don't talk about stuff I'm not supposed to talk about or mention stuff I'm not supposed to talk about. So I'm really excited for the reply, and I'm really waiting. I'm checking my email like all the time. But basically what I changed was my uploading schedule, my thumbnails, my tags, my description box, my titles, and my banner. So basically everything. That's like 6 things, and 7. I promote myself a lot more, and I pay to be promoted. So I'm gonna go ahead and talk about each one of those things. So the first thing I went ahead and changed was the name of my channel. I also changed that because I just didn't like Christina Zambrano, so I changed it to Simply Christina, because it's basically simply mean just what I like to do in this channel and what I'm about. So I changed my name to Simply Christina, something a little bit more catchy, you know. And I'm thinking about the future, like Simply Christina, I like that a lot. And I'm thinking about the future, so if I ever have the chance to collab with the brand, it's like Simply Christina made that, you know, like, you know. So think about the future, think big, baby boo. But first I changed my name. After that I started going ahead and I changed my banner, you guys. So basically, if you are just have like one thing on your banner, like just hearts like I had it, that's not gonna capture nobody's attention. So I changed it to my Instagram name is on there, I believe, and then I have the days I upload and everything, and then my name, and then a picture of me. So basically, well, I had a picture of me, now I don't. I made it like the things I like and the things that capture other people's eyes. So I went on Instagram, and I went on Tumblr wallpapers, and a lot of the marble was popping up, and a lot of gold and glitter and stuff like that. So that's where I went off of it for my YouTube channel. So when you click on it, you're like, oh, she has a cute banner, like let's watch her videos. So basically everything on my channel is like themed out now. So I changed my banner to how I upload every time I upload, and then I changed it to something more prettier, more eye-catching. It's gold and white. It's like really pretty, you know. So that's like the second thing I changed. The third thing I changed about my channel was my thumbnails. That really helped a lot, you guys. So I changed my thumbnails. Before, I would just post some ugly ass thumbnails. Like, I wouldn't even click on my videos sometimes. But I changed my thumbnails to a little bit more colorful, more about my face, like more exciting, putting the products on the screen so they know what I'm talking about. If I'm doing an eye look, I put my eye as the thumbnail, like super close, like a cute picture of the eye look, and then I put like the name or something. Sometimes I just skip out on the name because the title is already named. And then the fourth thing I changed was the title of my videos, making them more informative. Like if you're making if you're reviewing a Morphe palette, don't put reviewing Morphe palette. Be like new Morphe palette review / swatches, first impressions, demo. Like be really like how am I gonna say, informative on your titles. And I figured that the word new, or you must watch, or you won't believe, or emotional, or hilarious, must watch, or what the fuck will get you a lot of views. So I use those words a lot on my thumbnails because they do help a lot. So then the tags, I use this thing called rapid tags, and you basically put the name of your title and it will generate you some tags from other YouTubers or stuff on the internet that are the most basically active, and it will generate you them. You'll copy them and paste them into your tab of tags, and then that helps a lot as well. And then my hashtags, which I put 3 in each video, is about the stuff in the video. So if I'm doing a Kylie Jenner video, I put Kylie Jenner, Kylie Cosmetics, and then the name of the palette, new releases, and stuff like that. So that really helps a lot as well. And then also the uploading schedule, that makes a difference. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, uploading constantly and greeting your subscribers and welcoming them in every video and talking to them and replying to your comments and liking their comments, that will help you a lot more. So before I used to upload whenever the hell I felt like it, or if I didn't feel like it, I wouldn't upload. I could like upload for 4 days straight and then not upload at all. So I changed that. Now I upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I have basically 4 other days to edit and upload and record. So I try to manage around those days. Like normally on Sunday, since I know I'm almost always off, I will go ahead and record like 2 videos, edit 1, and then basically go off of that like when I have time. And what I do is I upload 3 videos a week, you guys. If I want to, I'll edit a bonus one and upload it for you guys. But that changed a lot of my stuff, is uploading, basically constantly being consistent. That really helped me a lot. The thumbnails, making them really colorful, putting products people want to watch, that will help you a lot. And I also noticed that drugstore products are really what people want to watch, because not everybody can go out and spend a lot of money. So that helped me a lot. My thumbnails helped me a lot, being colorful. The tags helped me really a lot. Uploading constantly, that helps a lot. If you can record every day and edit every day, then that will help you so much more. So basically, the more videos you put out there, the more your people will watch, and they know when you're uploading, so they'll watch the video, and that gets you watch time, you guys. So what I do is put a cool thumbnail that basically captures someone's attention, and then they'll want to go and watch the video. I do my intro, I talk about the product right away so I can capture their attention, they keep on watching. And then basically my outro. And also I made an intro, which that before I used to have the Queen song on there, but I got copyrighted, so I deleted that video. I was like, nope, I don't care for this video, I'm deleting it right now. I'm not even gonna work on putting one of those ugly songs on my video. But I changed the song, I made an intro, and I made an outro, which matches basically the intro, matches the outro matches the entrance of the video. So that's what I changed on my channel. I believe on Facebook or Instagram, I go ahead and pay like $2 for 1 day, and I just let it go over the night, and then that's helped me as well. Basically, you have to put money into your channel to be able to make it. I don't do it all the time. I do it to the videos I think will hit, or sometimes I do it to the videos that are not hitting, so it can like help me boost it up and everything. Lately I haven't been really doing it because my channel has been doing really good on its own, so that really helps. I go on Social Blade to see how my channel is doing, and I was a D and I'm a C+ now after I changed like my ways of my channel. So you guys, if you guys need any help, let me know. I will be more than happy to help you guys. I will leave what app I use to edit my videos and my intro and my outro. I will leave the ring light, the camera I use, the backdrops I use, and the computer I use in the description box like always. Also, my description box has changed. I'm more informative. I let you guys know what I'm using, what products I'm using, and I'm not very like stingy about not helping you guys. Like, I help everybody. If you guys need help, I'm like legit here to help you and have you grow with me. So if you need help, let your girl know. I will help you guys. Be way more than happy to help you guys. If I forget anything, I will leave it in the description box down below, but I believe that's all I've done, you guys, to be able to get my channel to be under review. I worked really hard, and I just changed. That's all I changed these last 3 months, and these last 3 months is when I got a lot of views, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you guys about my numbers right now, about where I'm at. So the month of September, that's when I started getting back into the groove of things. September, August, I believe it was August. Yeah, it was August. I started being more consistent, so I went ahead and got 29,000 minutes of watch time, and then it went to September. I got 30,000 in watch time, and then the next month after that, which was October, I believe I got 33. And then November, you guys, November, because I was so consistent on my shit, basically cross-selling, talking about my job now, basically promoting myself and paying for promotions and basically being on my shit, I got this month, you guys, was like the biggest jump ever. You guys ready to hear this? Okay, October was 33,000 watch minutes. 33,000, okay? This month that just passed was 108,000. So that's like more than 60,000 minutes I got. And that was because everybody, literally all my videos that I've been uploading, half, a little bit less than half, have watched the whole thing. And they're actually clicking on my cards and everything. And they're actually clicking on my video and watching my video. So that's getting really good. Okay, I go on my analytics and look at my numbers. And it's been from the month of October to now that everybody is watching like basically my videos. And I believe it's like the Kylie Jenner video, the brush video. People are watching like those videos that gravitate towards to the new products that are coming out. So that's key as well. Don't be a coda. Waste your money on new products. That really helps. I know it's hard when you're balling on a budget, but you guys, trust me, it helps your views and it just helps people to watch through the whole freaking video. But if I forgot anything, I will leave it in the description box down below. But that's basically all I did, you guys. If you guys need some help, let me know. Please just let me know. I will help you guys. Instagram me, email me. I will help you guys out. Like, I really ain't like not about it. Like, if I'm gonna grow, I want you to grow. I want everybody to grow. There's room for everybody. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe down below. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And then number 2, if you're an OG, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for supporting yet another video. Thank you. But other than that, let's just exit out. Bye.